Welcome to Data Analytics Professionals. Well, this series is about AWS and machine learning, and in this lecture, our task will be to download AWS Command Line Interface, which helps us to manage AWS services. This is lecture number 10, given by myself, Shanaz Malik, and I'm a data scientist. Before we proceed, it's my humble request, if you find this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel. Please like and share this video with friends and colleagues and leave your feedback in the comments section. To download AWS Command Line Interface, we need to go to aws.com.amazon.com/CLI. Just to remind you that the AWS Command Line Interface CLI is a unified tool to manage our AWS services. With this just one tool to download and configure, we can control multiple AWS services from the command line and automate them through scripts. So this is a really useful tool. The roadmap is simple for this lecture. We will go to the mentioned website, aws.amazon.com/CLI. Okay, and then we need to choose a suitable version of the command line interface, okay, Amazon command line interface, and download it. That will depend on the kind of operating system you're using. And once we will download it, we will install. So let's switch to AWS given website now and execute the task in our hand. So here is the website. I have already logged in. Okay, so if you are not yet logged in, all you need to do is, if you have not landed on this page, all you need to do is write aws.amazon.com/CLI/ and then hit the enter. Okay, and you will land on this page. Once you land on this page, let's make it a bit bigger. So once we land it on this page, so here is the Windows. If you need to download for Windows, so here is 64-bit and here is 32-bit Windows installer. Okay, so this will install AWS Command Line Interface for 64-bit and this will download for 32-bit. And just to remember, Mac and Linux requires Python 2.6.5 or higher, and if you have to use through pip, if you are going to install it through pip, and then use this one. Okay, and this is a command you have to give. Just remember that Amazon Linux that comes pre-installed on AWS Command Line Interface comes pre-installed on Amazon Linux AMI. Now my operating system is Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose a folder which I have already done. Okay, and I'm going to save it. Just a moment, trying to find the folder where I saved it. So here is the file. Let me show you what I'm doing so that you guys are not confused. bear with me please. So here is the folder in which I saved it. So this is the folder where I saved it. So I'm going to click, and all I need to do is click next, and then I will accept the agreement, license agreement, and then click next. And here I'm going to choose the default stuff. If you like to see, okay, will be installed on locally on my hard drive, and entire features will be installed. Okay, so I'm going to say entire and then click next and then install. So this will take some time. Let's be little bit, have some patience. It's not a big software, very small tool, should not take long enough. Okay, so here is the signal that it's all ready. So I'm going to say yes, do you want to allow this this application to make changes to your device, and I have to click yes, and here is the process. So it's quick, it's doesn't take long, depends upon how much RAM you will have installed in your PC, and how quick is your PC. It will depend on those factors. As you can see that it has already copied 60 to 70%. So by the time this software is installed, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be really happy to see your comments. What do you think I'm doing right, and what do you think I could improve? And if you like or any series on Python, on R, on various scikit libraries, for example, how to do machine learning, about Jupyter Notebook, whatever you guys need. Maybe if you need a video series on stats, I'm happy to make courses and guide you guys in the process. So should be done in few minutes from now. And I could say whosoever is interested in learning machine learning, I could say that has chosen one of the best fields which will make difference not only in the organizations where machine learning will be implemented, but altogether we data scientists and data engineers are going to make a huge difference at country level and at global level. Machine learning is going to change the world, how we do things, how we make decisions, and lot is going to be controlled using trained algorithms. So here we go. So I have finished. So once you see this finish, you click the finish, and that's it. So basically we have downloaded and installed the AWS CLI. And before I end this lecture, as you guys know, I kind of always request, give you a humble request. So if you have found this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course and channel. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. I have number of times repeated, and I'm going to say it again. Your feedback is extremely important for me to improve the contents of future videos. And a growing audience, wonderful audience like you, gives me more and more motivation to keep on making videos for all of you. Before I end, I would like to thank you all, and I hope to see you in next video. Don't forget, and remember this always, sharing is caring. Bye bye.